It's a musical chairs. By the time you start dancing, you realize that the song has come to an end. That is what is happening to you as an employee. You are playing a totally different video game than the employers, the one who have an early access to the money than you. Don't think ukuthi mali is neutral. If it comes from the South African Reserve Bank, if it's South African Reserve Bank also printed digitally 1 billion, don't think ukuthi that 1 billion ipower yakhona will be proportionally distributed amongst you. No, some people will get goods cheaper than you who are close to the printer, and we are not close to the printer. When you receive money later, when already the goods and services are already reflecting the recent demand created by those who are close to the printer. So let me tell you something. When I, as an employee, working hard will never ever help you, because it's like you are in a treadmill. You don't get to the finish line. You are always crying. Things are going up. No matter you can take overtime, no matter what you can do, even the loans are higher to you. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Let us take this sikwenze kube practical. Big financial institutions, hedge funds, big corporations, banks, they are close to the printer. Those people, they are close to the printer. When the money is being printed, they have an early access. They have an early access. South African Reserve Bank is giving money, and then they have an early access to the money, and then they buy whatever they want to buy, they invest wherever they want to invest, and then the prices goes up, and then now we are on the other side, on the wrong side of the equation. I guess it's nasi isitolo sokudla, nazi itolo zokudla, in fact, because this is like worldwide. Nazi itolo zokudla nje la eSouth Africa, they are just having an access to loans, mortgage loans, to build malls, to build retail, ne? Ayizwa lonto. They have early access, low interest rates, ne? And then they buy building materials with those leverages they got from banks. They buy building materials, and then they build lawo shops lawo. It's fine, yonke into ihamba kahle, kuyasetshenzwa. Uyahola wena umsebenzi, mhlawumbe umakhi ke wena ke uyahola ke, qedwe itolo uyahola. Nawe ususebenza as lokhu njani umdayisi lapha uyahola, ngithi nonke niyahola. Uyabona lo oholayo ukuthi uyasebenza, qala ukuthi bayakha lapha. I-demand ka-cement kumele reflect ukuthi sekhona abantu there is a great huge demand of cement now, ne? There's a huge demand of cement because abaqashi benu now they are increasing lento yokwakha, ne? And the price ka-cement kumele inyuke. By the time when you get paid, low price leyo has already gone up. Angiphathi ngoba phela nemali iyabekwa, ngithi niyayibeka imali, imali iyabekwa vele. Uthi uyabeka uyasave. They are playing a different video game. You save. By the time you are saving, when the demand is already going up, usemende bona bawuthole ngo-90 rand, wena uzowuthola wena ngo-95 rand wena usemende. Ngoba bona they've created the demand because they had an early access to money. Ayizwa lonto. Uzowuthola ngemali ethanda ukuthi xaxa wena. Hayi nokuthi ethanda ukuxaxa, ithe xaxa impela. Kumele bestocke la. Kumele bestocke izinto la. Yabo? Mabe stocka lezi zinto lezi They are also creating a demand as well for these things abayistockayo. Ama suppliers abathenga kuwona will just rise prices to match the demand that has been created by them. Yabo ngesikhathi bestock wena ngesikhathi bekuholela uqeda ukudayisa lesi stock abastokile already lezi impahla seziyabiza already. Yabo seziyabiza lezi impahla. Wena imali ifika kuwena ipower yayo isiyincane siyehlile ipower yayo. Bona bane access kuma mortgage ma banks and then they can buy ama properties la. By the time they buy ama properties and then wena uyaqashwa uyasebenza lapho you get paid. By the time you get paid you go to the bank, you apply for a mortgage to buy the house. Ayibo lezo zinto seziyabiza, you pay more interest when every time they move bashiya umaka njengomnenke. Every time they move bashiya umaka njengomnenke, and lo maka wena it's a thing for you. It cripples you. Yabo it leaves a trail of inflation behind. Yes, a lot. We are screwed kahle kahle. They are playing a different video game than you. Who are benefiting are those who are close to the printer. Yes. Manje umbuzo omkhulu uzothi ke hayi shuthi ke because thina we are not close to the printer, we don't have an early access to imali. Because mind you, let me tell you something before I get to the solution part. Mind you, umthetho uthini lo what you call this, it's a fate something abo I don't know, it's a fate flow or what, but uyasho lo mthetho lokuthi ama banks they should lie South Africa, they should retain 2.5% of deposits. Yes, they should the rest should be distributed as ama debts, ne? So imali oyidepositayo wena bank, it is multiplied by 60 times. Imali oyidepositayo wena bank, it generates 60 times ama debts. Yes, 60 times. It is multiplied by 6. There is a multiplier. Mufake nje wena 1000 wena wa deposit 1000, the 2.5 of that 1000 needs to be retained, and then the rest it needs to be it needs to create ama debts. Angithi abo le mali mayiprintwa it is not backed by any goods and services. No, that is why there's an inflation. It is not backed by goods and services. So that is why wena you'll always at the end yabo leyo ke topic on its own ngokuchazela yona ngelinye ilanga ukuthi lento ihamba kanjani. How does this happen? Because there's even a formula to work on that, to work that one out. Ukuthi how come imali engenile it is multiplied by it creates ama debts 60 times. Mase nonke nikhokha ikweletu zena akho ngishishume elilodwa elingarana la. In fact ingashort imali le interest. Imali ye interest ukuze distribute imali ye interest kumele ukuthi create a debt. Yabo lento ifana nokuthi ngikuboleke ngifike mina ngikhiphe iflow yemali, ngikhiphe u500 as a flow of money, nginiboleke nonke, nginiboleke niba u5, nginiboleke 100. Yes, niba u5, nginiboleke 100 bese ngithi nginicharge u10 rand ngaphezulu, sho kumele ningibuyisele 110 nonke noba u5. Kodwa manje uzoqhamuka phi lo ngoba phela 10 20 30 40 50 uzoqhamuka lo 50 rand ngoba mina angufakanga la, angu-injectanga la kwi-system lo 50 rand. Ukuze manje ngilokhu nje lokho kumele ukuthi umuntu kumele ukuthi ngiphinde futhi ngiprinte u50 rand we-interest ke manje ngiuprinte nawo ngiuboleke someone ngithi naye kumele ubuyise lo 50 rand usohamba mhlambe no5 rand. Lo 5 rand uzoqhamuka kaphi manje ngoba awukho, yabo? Angithi yonke le mali esila in debt, yabo? Yonke le mali la should nonke mase ningikhokhele 110 wami nonke uzoqhamuka lo 5 rand lo engithe awubuyiswe yilo kube 50 rand 5 rand kube 50 rand wami no 5 rand 55 rand uzoqhamuka lo 5 rand lo. Angithi yabo ukuthi mangase bonke abantu bekhokha ikweletu zabo imali ingashoda, kushoda imali interest ingashoda imali, ngeke kuze kube khona lutho. Le solution part ukuthi lento sidila kanjani nayo ngiyoyakhe le video yayo separate i solution kule nkinga le. Okay, bye yini okwamanje.